Kroger Rewards MasterCard Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? What if the groceries you buy every single week could quietly pay you back? Fill your gas tank cheaper and reduce your monthly expenses without changing anything about your routine. Most people swipe their debit card at the grocery store and never think about it again. But the surprising truth about grocery rewards in 2025 is that your everyday food budget might be hiding one of your easiest money-saving opportunities. And that is exactly where the Kroger Rewards MasterCard enters the picture. Today, we are diving deep into the Kroger Rewards MasterCard in 2025. We are going to uncover what it really offers, how it works, what most people get wrong about it, how much it can actually save you, who it is best for, who should skip it, and whether it deserves a spot in your wallet or should be left on the shelf. And stick around, because near the end of this video, you will hear the one habit that can multiply your rewards and the one mistake that quietly destroys the value of this card for thousands of people every year. Let us start with why grocery store credit cards deserve more attention than they get. Groceries are not optional. Almost everyone spends hundreds of dollars per month on food. For many families, grocery spending is one of the top 3 monthly expenses. Yet most people earn little to nothing back on the spending. They either use a debit card, which gives no rewards, or a basic credit card with low cash back. The Kroger Rewards MasterCard is designed to change that by turning your grocery store loyalty into real financial benefits. The card is issued through a major bank but branded for Kroger and its family of stores. That includes not only Kroger, but also many regional grocery brands under the Kroger umbrella. This means the card works across a wide network of grocery stores in the United States. In 2025, the Kroger Rewards MasterCard continues to focus on one main promise: rewarding your everyday grocery and fuel spending. Now let us talk about how it actually works. The Kroger Rewards MasterCard offers a combination of fuel savings and reward points. You earn points for every dollar you spend on eligible purchases. These points can be redeemed for discounts on fuel at participating Kroger fuel centers and partner gas stations. You can also redeem them for statement credits, gift cards, and merchandise. Most people get this wrong, but the fuel discount feature alone can be incredibly valuable if you drive regularly. For example, you may earn fuel points that translate into discounts of up to $1 per gallon on a single fuel fill-up, depending on how many points you accumulate. Imagine pulling into a gas station and seeing the price drop dramatically simply because you bought groceries with your credit card. That moment surprises people every time. In addition to fuel rewards, the card also offers cashback-style rewards on certain categories. These often include grocery purchases, dining, and online shopping, depending on the version of the card and current promotions. In 2025, many versions of the Kroger Rewards MasterCard offer higher rewards for digital wallet purchases, meaning if you use your phone or smartwatch to pay, you can earn boosted rewards. This is one of the hidden features that many people overlook. Now let us talk about the sign-up bonus, because this is often what attracts people first. The Kroger Rewards MasterCard typically offers a welcome bonus for new cardholders who meet a spending requirement within the first few months. This bonus is usually in the form of reward points that can be redeemed for fuel discounts or statement credits. While it may not be as large as premium travel card bonuses, it is still a meaningful head start for everyday spenders. Now here is something you might not expect. The real power of this card is not in occasional big bonuses. It is in how it quietly saves you money every single week. Imagine a family that spends $800 per month on groceries and fuel. Over a year, that is nearly $10,000. Even a modest reward rate can translate into hundreds of dollars in savings. And because the card is designed specifically for grocery and fuel spending, it captures value where you already spend the most. Now let us talk about the costs. The Kroger Rewards MasterCard typically does not charge an annual fee. This is a big advantage. You can keep the card long-term without worrying about paying just to hold it. That makes it easy to justify as a permanent part of your wallet. Interest rates, however, are similar to most retail credit cards and can be relatively high. This is important. The rewards only make sense if you pay your balance in full each month. If you carry a balance, the interest you pay can easily wipe out the rewards you earn. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make. They focus on rewards but ignore interest. You will not believe what happens next, because many cardholders end up paying more in interest than they ever receive in rewards. Now let us talk about who benefits the most from this card. The Kroger Rewards MasterCard is perfect for people who regularly shop at Kroger or its affiliated stores, and who drive often. If you already buy groceries there and already buy gas, this card simply turns your existing routine into savings. It is also ideal for families and individuals who want simple, predictable rewards instead of complicated travel programs. You do not need to track airline partners or hotel portals. You simply buy groceries, earn points, and save on fuel or get statement credits. Now let us talk about who should probably skip it. If you rarely shop at Kroger or its partner stores, you will not unlock the full value. If you prefer premium travel rewards, airport lounge access, and hotel perks, this is not your card. And if you tend to carry a balance and pay interest, this card can cost you more than it saves you. Now let us look at a real-world example. Meet Lisa. Lisa shops at Kroger every week. She spends about $150 per week on groceries and about $100 per month on gas. She uses her Kroger Rewards MasterCard for all of these purchases. Over the course of a year, she earns hundreds of dollars in fuel discounts and statement credits. She notices that her monthly fuel bill is noticeably lower. She did not change her spending habits at all. She simply changed the card she used. Now here is the surprising truth. The people who get the most value from this card are not the ones who chase big bonuses. They are the ones who consistently use it for groceries and gas and pay the balance in full every month. Consistency is what multiplies the rewards. Now let us talk about digital wallet rewards, because this is a feature many people miss. In 2025, many Kroger Rewards MasterCard versions offer elevated rewards when you use your card through Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. This means if you tap your phone instead of swiping your card, you may earn significantly higher rewards on those purchases. This small habit change can dramatically increase your yearly savings. Most people ignore this feature simply because they do not read the fine print. But once you start using it, you will see your rewards grow much faster. Another important benefit is purchase protection. Many versions of the card offer coverage if your eligible purchase is damaged or stolen within a certain time period. This adds an extra layer of security to your everyday spending. Now let us talk about credit building. Because the Kroger Rewards MasterCard reports to credit bureaus like most major cards, responsible use can help build or improve your credit score. Paying on time and keeping your balances low can steadily improve your credit profile. Now we need to talk about the hidden danger. Retail branded credit cards often have higher interest rates than general purpose cards. If you ever carry a balance, your interest costs can grow quickly. This is why this card should be used as a payment tool, not a borrowing tool. Now let us answer the big question. Is the Kroger Rewards MasterCard worth it in 2025? If you shop at Kroger, buy gas, use digital wallets, and pay your balance in full, the answer is very often yes. This card can quietly save you hundreds of dollars per year. If you do not shop at Kroger, want luxury travel perks, or tend to carry balances, you should probably leave it. Here is the habit that multiplies your rewards. Use this card for every grocery and fuel purchase. Pay it off in full every month. And use your phone to pay whenever possible. This simple routine can turn your everyday spending into real money back in your pocket. And here is the mistake that destroys the value. Carrying a balance. The moment you start paying interest, the rewards begin to lose their power. So let me ask you something. Are your groceries quietly draining your budget, or are they paying you back? If this video helped you understand the Kroger Rewards MasterCard, make sure to like this video so more people can discover smarter everyday spending strategies. Subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and money-saving guides. And comment below, would you use your grocery spending to earn rewards, or do you still have questions? Your grocery cart might be hiding your next big savings opportunity.